almost did like a Shane Dawson, hey, what's up you guys? But it's not this channel, it's not what this is. Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're in an amazing place in your life right now. Just trying to be. If you're not, it's fine. We're there with you, support you. So today, I was supposed to be at a dance class at the moment, or just about to finish up a dance class, but I have not been feeling well. Well, this morning I felt fine, and then I think I either ate too fast, or my boyfriend says I haven't drank enough water, which makes sense because I don't drink enough water. I just don't like admitting that to him because he gives me so much crap about it, and that didn't go down well anyway. So now I just decided, let me just sit and just try to get uploads done and editing done and stuff, and I need to go out to Trader Joe's, but I also want to get a tutorial finished, so let's just beat a face, right? And right now I look busted as fuck, like busted, and we need to fix this. Right now I feel like I just feel like a little boy at the moment, and I have so many cushions behind me, and it makes me just so close to the damn camera because everything else is so, whew, that was better. Okay, it's funny how on Instagram and you'll watch other YouTubers and you'll think, oh, their setup is beautiful. How did they manage this? And when you try to set it up yourself, it's just a nightmare. It's just, oh my God. There's a stand on this mirror, y'all. Sorry, anyway, this is just chaotic. You get it. Basically, we're gonna turn me from this tomboyish looking situation into someone who looks a little cute. Not that tomboys are bad. I've just been in my pajamas all day and it's almost 4 o'clock, which this isn't the case. We're not gonna act like it's the case. Without further ado, there's a new Unsolved. Kinda wanna say that first time. If you watch Unsolved, comment below, let me know. We can start chatting about episodes together because Charles was supposed to watch it with me, but his ass hasn't caught up in the last 3 episodes. Also, if you watch Altered Carbon, comment that shit below too. So good, finished the series, bomb, really helping for season 2. Kind of no, because I know season 2 is either gonna be a hit or miss, so that's another topic. I was going to do, you know, fuck, this isn't gonna be a light, this is gonna be a full coverage ass situation. So that was a pump and a half. We're gonna do maybe half a pump, maybe a little more than that. I don't know what I just did, I just kinda did it. By the way, this is in Soft Honey. And the coverage on this is fucking mad, bruh. I'm assuming this would be a dupe because I can't afford these expensive ass brands. So I'm assuming this is a dupe for the Makeup Forever HD, but you know, she'll know if you can't afford that, get that LA girl shit because it's $4. At your local beauty supply store. Why did I love how I did this when my battery's gonna die. Like I always do this shit, it's really annoying. So you know how everyone's been doing those bandwagon, I followed a so-and-so's tutorial. I was watching I was watching a Patricia Bright video where she followed Bretman Rock's one, and he was concealing his beard areas, and it was funny because she's like, I don't have a beard, but I do have a little mustache. Darkness area, and my girl, I can relate. So we're just gonna go ahead and conceal all this because fuck it. We're just gonna do a lot today. We're just gonna do a lot for like no fucking reason, just because we can. This is where Jackie always highlights or conceals her. I'm trying really hard not to talk so I don't get this from my lips. Where she puts all of her concealer where her smile lines are, so that way it's a little extra or whatever. We're gonna let this sit for a second, and then we're gonna blend it out. I look ridiculous. low-key feel like I'm... That's the thumbnail. That's it. That's the one.
I'm paging the Roman page inside that. Pat the pom poms, calm the dada. Kiss the pom poms, and Uchi Wada. Praise the Father, praise the Father. Praise Gina, Lisa, Frida, and all just sit in the back of the Beamer, puffing the la smoking the reefer. HB shotgun, rolling the Keisha. I got a camera in boo, but we lay low. We had our first kiss near the equator. And mama say, mama sigh, mama.
Basically, if you didn't get that, just slap the shit out of yourself.
Oh, back in Paris with Alice for dinner, smoking a Cuban, boy, keep your chin up. The girl in the blue dress looked like a winner. Caught my eye in the back of the mirror. Cruise with the Spain, I think I'm Baker. Henny flavor, Harry Summer, man Bradinsky, bringing the numbers. Hey, grooving the salsa with Eda, hopping the empty and made feeling better. She said that her favorite car was a cheddar. Sent me some champagne off with a leather. They said Musa, Musa, Musa. I want to go down to St. Lucia. Got Brianna, 4 for 2. Scenery boys, all for you. Never feel a bumpin' feeler. The boys gangsters comes with the races. Diamante velvet places. The girl needs saving, boy, go save her. Save us.
Alright, so, okay, this was supposed to be like a busted to bougie look, but this isn't really my idea of bougie. My fucking camera is dying, and I didn't, like an idiot, I didn't charge it before, so here we are. This is me trying to rush my little bougie ass-ish look. This isn't really, like, I don't even know, I'm not even gonna call it this. This is not the title, this is not the title. The title is going to be Ariel's going to Trader Joe's, get ready with me, while she kind of talks to you through it and says some stupid shit. Yeah, and then throws on a wig when I'm just gonna rip this bad boy off and put a scarf on. This is it, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm low-key panicking and have a little bit of anxiety because that little battery red blinking sign keeps going, so I'm trying to not look at it right now. Ooh, forgot, setting spray. The wig looks really cute from here. I look like somebody's mom or somebody's auntie. Next time, just try not to get it on the bangs. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. So if you're wondering why the fuck did I just change my hair or take the wig off, gotta literally in the middle of that sentence, my battery died. So I figured time to go to Trader Joe's while it charges. So since that was the case, and I was not trying to wear that wig out because it didn't really look realistic, it's more for like a video vibe, maybe the occasional night out, and by night out I mean no actual light is gonna be on me or my scalp, so you can't actually see if I'm wearing a wig or not, and especially if I don't really feel like putting all the effort into making it look like I'm not wearing a wig. So that wasn't happening. Anyway, just wrapped this up and went out, but I did not mention, because I did my eyebrows off camera, I used and I still have the packaging here, ironically enough. It's the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I believe this one's an espresso. Yes, it's an espresso. And basically because my Soap and Glory Archery little pencils are done at this point, like they're done. I'm sad about it, so I need to get something similar, which the NYX one's as close as I can in the price range, all that stuff. So I did that, and then I used same Soap and Glory Archery Volume Boost Microfiber Brow Gel, and that one is in Mocha Up Your Mind, I believe. And then I used the Wet n Wild Clear Gel For my lips, I did that on screen, but it was the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Vamp. But what I did do off screen before I went to Trader Joe's was I added the Fenty Beauty Galaxy Collection cosmetic lip gloss, or not lip gloss, lipstick, whatever. And then this one, what is this one? I think this one's Sci-Fly. I think it's Sci-Fly. I can't really read it. That is so difficult to read. Wow. Oh my god, my eyes are getting so... Guys, my eyes used to be 20/20 vision. I'm really scared that they're like really... I'm losing it. That was my pride. It's such pride in having 20/20 vision. It's only because my mom has glasses and so does my sister, but she doesn't wear them and she needs them. It's Sci-Fly. It's Sci-Fly. I got it. I figured it out. Boom. Anyway, yeah, Sci-Fly. And I just put it... It's so pretty. I put it in the center because, as you know, the Anastasia liquid lipsticks, when they're matte, they dry matte as fuck. Like, there's absolutely no shine to that shit, which is great because it's usually what you sign up for a matte shade. And just by adding this, it gives a little satin finish in the center. But yeah. Oh, and I had like the best thing happen to me at Trader Joe's. So I went in there. This is gonna be like a mini story time, right? So I went into Trader Joe's. And I had my plan set, I had my grocery list set, my budget is set and it's not going to be adjusted. So I had to then adapt to said budget, and it was funny because by the time I got to the registers, I was waiting kind of back behind the registers. Not behind the registers, sorry, I'm in front of the registers, but I can't talk. This is really annoying, so I apologize. Anyways, I'm waiting in front of all the registers. So here are the registers, here's the registers. These are the lines, these are the queues. This is the people waiting, whatever. And I'm back here and behind the lines, behind all the people waiting in line. And people kept thinking I was waiting in line, but I'm like, no, I'm not, sorry. In reality, I didn't say this, but in reality, I'm just checking my bank account to see if I transferred that $4 from my savings to my checking account because it will make a difference. Which is what I did. So I moved up in line and then I went up to the cashier and I told him, I was blunt with him, all straight up. I said, listen, so these are all the things that I need. I'm gonna just go ahead and ring those up first. We're gonna see how much it costs and then go from there. And he's like, he laughed, he said, okay. And yeah, this is the kind of day I'm having right now. So he understood, I really appreciated it. And by the end of it, I felt really bad again because my dumbass, I accidentally transferred to my savings, not from my savings. And because of that, I had to retransfer shit again, fucked it up again, retransferred it again, actually did it correct the third time, and then finally paid. But then as he's ringing me up, he's like, yo, I'm gonna hook you up. I'm like, really? So he ended up hooking me up with everything that I wanted, except for like these 2 things of oatmeal and a thing of whey protein that costs like fucking $11 anyway, that I did not need, that I have never gotten before. It was just one of those, oh, let me just try and see if I can splash out today. And there's no price tag on it. So it was like, let's just kind of see what happens. So that was that's stayed at home. That whey protein stayed at home at Trader Joe's. Yeah, he back on a shelf. But yeah, that kind of restored my faith in humanity after that, because that was the sweetest fucking thing ever. I'm like, I don't even care. People will say all day long, oh, well, it's because you look pretty today and this, that, and the other. Honestly, just like little things like that, because it could have been anybody. Honestly, it could have been anybody. Anybody could have just been openly honest and polite and said, listen, this is what's going on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to afford all this. And you might have to put some stuff back, but I'm just gonna warn you before it stresses you out any more than you may be right now. I know that's something that I would appreciate hearing if I was working and somebody came and they might have been in a bad mood, they might have been frustrated about the funds in their account, but if they're just blunt and honest with me and said, listen, I'm broke and I'm struggling today and this is what we're gonna have to see what we can work with, then I'll try to help them out as much as I can, you know? I mean, because I appreciate that. I mean, thank you for your honesty. That's human of you. That's something that I could relate to, and I know most people can, because that's just life. Not everybody is in an amazing spot, specifically in this instance financially. So that was nice. That was nice. That was really sweet of him, and I really appreciated it. And thank you, Jay. I'm not gonna say your name because I want you to get fired, but thank you. Good looking out. Your girl, good coming through. That was nice. That was very polite. So I hope you liked this little tutorial that probably, it took me like all of 20 minutes to do, really. Very simple. It's just like a little pop of color, nothing intense. I wore this actually to my dance class yesterday. Not the whole look, but something similar. And I felt like I was doing a lot without doing a lot. Yeah, just like nice little subtle pops. But if you enjoyed this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up or like or whatever the fuck we're calling it now. Make sure if you like these videos, if you like listening to my annoying ass voice, you subscribe to my channel so you can keep hearing my annoying ass voice. And if you don't want to miss these annoying videos with my annoying ass voice, you hit that notification bell so it can ding every time my annoying ass voice is uploaded onto YouTube. So we're done here now, I guess. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So I'm waiting in front of the wow, get to the fucking point, bitch.